Dear students, let's continue with the next chapter, that is chapter number 15 of the reader book, given on page number 98. A man's cub. Okay, a man's cub means the little one of a human being. The little one. It is a story about a boy. Okay, so let's start. It was 7 o'clock of a very warm evening in the Senum Hill where Father Wolf woke up from his day's rest. Seone Hills, okay? It was 7 o'clock. The time was 7 o'clock, 7 baj rahe the, and a very warm evening, okay? It was a very, you can say, a hot day in the Seone Hills where Father Wolf, okay, here there is a animal, that is the wolf, that is the father wolf, woke up from his day's rest. Means wolf जो है वो आराम कर रहा था और वो आराम करके इवनिंग में जगा. So after that he scratched himself, yawned and spread out his paws one after the other to get rid of the sleepy feeling in their tips. It means that he scratched means उसने अपने बॉडी को खरोंचा एंड यॉर्न, यॉर्न मीन्स जमाई देना, एंड स्प्रेड आउट हिज पाउस मीन्स उसने अपने पैर को फैलाया वन आफ्टर द अदर टू गेट रिड ऑफ द स्लीपी फीलिंग. बिकॉज जब हम सो के उठते हैं तो हम थोड़े से स्लीपी मूड में रहते हैं. सो ही वॉज जस्ट स्ट्रेचिंग हिज फीट्स, दैट इज द पाव, एंड द वुल्फ वॉज यॉर्निंग, वो जमाई भी ले रहा था. So Mother Wolf lay with her big grey nose dropped across her four squealing cubs. Squealing cubs means the cubs means the small ones of the lion. You know that lion's kid is called a cub. Okay, so lion के जो बच्चे थे वो छोटे छोटे थे and Mother Wolf जो उनकी माँ थी, that is the wolf, lay with here. The cubs were of a wolf, not of a lion, of a wolf. Okay, wolf के छोटे छोटे बच्चे थे. Mother wolf lay with her big grey nose. Wolf nose, the mother wolf nose was big and it was grey in color. And it came out. She came out with her small cubs. The moon shone into the mouth of the cave where they all lived. So there was a cave, एक गुफा था, उसमें ये रहते थे, the father wolf, the mother wolf और उसके बच्चे. And moon's light was passing there. Oh, said Father Wolf, it is time to hunt again. So Father Wolf, जो कब्स के फादर थे, उन्होंने कहा कि it is time to hunt again, शिकार करने जाना चाहिए. It was going to spring downhill where a little shadow with a busy tail crossed the threshold and whined. So it was going to spring. Spring means leap. Downhill when a little shadow with a busy tail means there was a animal that was crossing there. Okay, thereby. So here threshold is given here, which means the floor at the entrance. means जो दहलीज होती है, ओके, घर की जो दहलीज होती है वहाँ से वो क्रॉस हुआ. एंड वाइन मीन्स दैट इज हियर आई हैव गिवन द मीनिंग मीन्स हाई पिच नॉइज. ओके, हियर हाई पिच विद द हाई पिच नॉइज, बहुत ही ऊंची आवाज में. एंड it happened that squealing cubs spring down and whine. Then after it happened that good luck to you, good luck to you, O chief of the wolves. Means good luck to you, O chief of the wolves. Here means the animal that was passing, it was about that. Good luck to you, O chief of the wolves, and good luck to your noble children. Do not forget hungry ones like me. Means, and it was the jackal jackal, that is the tabaki. So, as I have told you, there was a little shadow with a bushy tail. There was a little shadow with a bushy tail across the threshold and went. Means वहाँ पे एक एनिमल क्रॉस कर रहा था और वो एनिमल कौन था? दैट वाज तबाकी, द जैकाल. ओके, एंड गुड लक टू यू. तबाकी वाज सेइंग टू वुल्फ फादर, क्योंकि वुल्फ फादर जो है वो शिकार के लिए निकल रहा था. तो वो चीफ ऑफ द वुल्व्स मींस he was the father. And good luck to your noble children. Good luck to your noble children means जो वुल्फ के बच्चे थे उनको भी इसने गुड लक बोला, क्योंकि वो भी उसके साथ जा रहे थे. Do not forget hungry ones like me. And Tabaki warned that do not forget hungry ones like me. Means Tabaki was also a animal that was quite dangerous. Okay, the wolves hate Tabaki because he runs about making mischief and telling tales and eating rags and pieces of leather from the village. So it was the jackal, Tabaki. The wolves hate Tabaki. So in the jungle, the wolves, the wolf family, they hated Tabaki, and because of his mischief. Mischief means Tabaki was the animal that always used to misbehave and harm the other animals. Okay. So here I have given the meaning. Mischief means badness or harm. And eating rags and pieces of leather from the village rubbish heaps. Rubbish heaps means a pile of waste, that is the waste material. वहाँ उस जंगल के पास एक गांव था और वहाँ पे ये रबिश मीन्स द वेस्ट मटेरियल्स, जो कचरा होता है, कूड़ा होता है, वो पड़ा हुआ था. एंड Tabaki was the animal that the wolf family they don't believe on Tabaki because of his mischief, and क्योंकि वो नुकसान पहुंचाता था और झूठी कहानियां बनाता था, and eating rags and pieces of leather from the village rubbish heaps. But they are afraid of him too because Tabaki often goes mad and then he forgets fear and runs through the forest, biting everything in his way. Even the tiger runs and hides when little Tabaki goes mad. So, but they were afraid of him, means the villagers also, they were also afraid of Tabaki because Tabaki sometimes goes mad. वो कभी-कभी पागलों की तरह हरकतें करता था. And he forgets fears and runs through the forest, biting everything in his way. And वो निडर होके जंगल की तरफ बढ़ता था और उसके रास्ते में जो भी आता था वो उसे परेशान करता था. इवन द टाइगर रन्स एंड हाइड्स, जो वहाँ टाइगर्स थे जो उससे भी डेंजरस थे, हाइड्स में लिटिल टबाकी गोज मैड, जब वो पागलों की तरह हरकतें करता था तो टाइगर है वो भी उससे डरता था. सो टबाकी वॉज द jackal and he often goes mad. Enter then and look, said Father Wolf stiffly, but there is no food here. Stiffly means कठोर शब्दों में उन्होंने कहा, means stubbornly. But there is no food here. जब तबाकी वहाँ पहुँचा तो फादर वुल्फ ने क्या जवाब दिया कि यहाँ पे कोई खाना नहीं है, कुछ खाना नहीं है. And for a wolf, no, said Tabaki, but for me a dry bone is a good feast. So feast here means a large meal, जो दावत कहते हैं. For a wolf, no, said Tabaki, but for me a dry bone is a good feast. So Tabaki said that a dry bone, a single bone, that was also enough for a good feast, means for a large meal. Who am I? I just a jackal. So he scuttled to the back of the cave, where he found the bone of a buck with some meat on it and started munching on it merely. So who am I? Just a jackal. So Tabaki was questioning himself. Okay, Tabaki अपने आप से पूछ रहा था कि मैं कौन हूँ. He scuttled Tabaqi found the bone of a buck with some meat on it, और उस पे कुछ थोड़े मांस भी थे उस हड्डी पे, and started munching. Munching means chewing. Okay, eating that it steadily. It started eating steadily. वो जो हिरन का जो हड्डी मिला था उसे, वो धीरे धीरे उसे चबाने लगा. Tabaqi sat still, relaxed after a good meal, and then he said spitefully, Sher Khan, the big one, has shifted his hunting grounds. He will hunt among these hills for the next month, so he has told me. So Tabaqi sat still means वो एक जगह बैठ गया, relaxed after a good meal. उसने मिल लिया, that is the buck, and then he said spitefully. Spitefully means in a deliberately unkind way, means he was not polite. Sher Khan, the big one, has shifted his hunting grounds, means उसने अपने जो शिकार करने का इलाका है उसने बदल दिया है, and he will hunt among these hills for the next month. Which hills? That is the Seoni hills, where the wolf family lived. So he had told me. तबाकी ने बोला कि मुझे ये शेर खान ने बताया है कि उसने अपने शिकार का जो इलाका है उसने छोड़ दिया है, चेंज कर दिया है, और वो अभी इस सियोनी हिल्स पे शिकार करने के लिए आ सकता है. शेर खान was the tiger who lived near the Wangara river 20 miles away. So Wangara river, this is the river that was near the village. Okay, this river is the tributary of Godavari. Okay, so Wangara river. Sher Khan was the tiger who lived near the. So Sher Khan कौन था? Sher Khan was the tiger. Okay, and कहाँ रहता था? Wangara hill के पास, 20 miles away from where? The Seoni hills. Then he has no right. Father Wolf began angrily. But the law of the jungle, he has no right to change his quarters without due warning. He will scare off every small animal within 10 miles, and I have to kill for my whole family. So he has no right. Who said? The wolf. Father Wolf ने क्या कहा? He has no right. And the wolf was very angry. तो फादर वोल्फ था वो बहुत ही गुस्से में था और कहा कि शेर खान हैज नो राइट टू रूल और टू बी हियर इन द Seoni hills. By the law of the jungle, he has no right to change his quarters. And जो लॉ है, जो कानून है, उन सब ने जो जंगल में बना रखा है उसमें ये है कि he has no right to change his quarters. Quarters means the area. हंटिंग ग्राउंड्स मतलब कि वो शिकार करने का जो इलाका है, जगह है, वो चेंज नहीं कर सकता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल ऑफ द जंगल विदाउट ड्यू वार्निंग. ड्यू वार्निंग मीन्स प्रॉपर वार्निंग. बिना किसी को बताए वो अपने हंटिंग ग्राउंड्स चेंज नहीं कर सकता है. ही विल स्केयर ऑफ एवरी स्मॉल एनिमल्स विद इन 10 miles. एंड वो इससे क्या होगा कि जो वहाँ पे छोटे छोटे जो भी जानवर हैं वो उससे डर जाएंगे. एंड आई हैव टू किल फॉर माई होल फैमिली. एंड आई हैव टू किल फॉर माई होल फैमिली मीन्स. एंड द वुल्फ, द फादर वुल्फ will be compelled to kill those small animals. Mother wolf said quietly, he has been lame in one foot from his birth. Mother wolf, जो wolf family में जो mother wolf होती है वो कहती है, बहुत ही आराम से कहती है कि he has been lame. Lame means limb. Okay, limb मतलब कि वो जो यहाँ पे जो शेर खान है टाइगर, वो लंगड़ा था. वो फ्रॉम हिज बर्थ एक पैर उसका काम नहीं करता था. दैट इज वाई ही हैज ओनली किल्ड कैटल. दैट इज वाई ही हैज ओनली किल्ड कैटल मीन्स इसीलिए वो तेज नहीं भाग सकता है, इसीलिए उसने छोटे छोटे एनिमल्स का ही शिकार किया है. ओके, बिकॉज शेर खान वॉज द एनिमल विथ ओनली 1 foot. He was lamb. Now the villagers of the Wangara are angry with him, and he has come here to make our villagers angry. और जैसे कि विलेज में क्या होता है, कैटल्स होते हैं लाइक द गोट्स, लाइक द शेप्स, ओके। तो जो वहाँ के विलेजर्स थे वो इस शेर खान की हरकतों से बहुत ही खफा थे, ओके। एंड अगर वो इस इलाके में, वो उसके 10 माइल्स अवे रहता था, अगर वो इस इलाके में रहने लगे तो वो विलेजर्स को, जो वहाँ के गांव के लोग हैं, उनको और भी गुस्सा आने लगेगा। They will search the jungle for him when he is far away, and we and our children must run when the grass is set on fire. And इससे क्या होगा कि वुल्फ की जो फैमिली है वो भी इससे स्ट्रगल करेगी, क्योंकि उन्हें भी वहाँ जगह छोड़कर भागना पड़ेगा। Shall I tell him? said Tabaki. He is welcome to hunt here. So shall I tell him? जो Tabaki है, Tabaki was the jackal, and the wolf family did not believe on him. Not even the wolf family, but all the animals living there, they do not believe on Tabaki because वो उसकी जो हरकतें थी वो मिसबिहेव करता था और झूठी कहानियां भी बनाता था। So shall I tell him? said Tabaki. तबाकी ने कहा कि क्या मुझे शेर खान को बताना चाहिए कि क्या वो इस इलाके में शिकार करने आ सकता है। Out snapped Father Wolf. Snap means spoke impatiently and angrily. बहुत ही गुस्से में Father Wolf ने बोला, क्या बोला? Out and hunt with your master. You have spoken enough. Out and hunt with your master. आओ और तुम शिकार करो अपने मास्टर के साथ, तुमने बहुत ही ज्यादा अब बोल लिया। I go, said Tabaki quietly. Tabaki ने कहा, मैं जाता हूँ। You can hear Sher Khan below in the thickets. Okay, thicket means the bushes, जो वहाँ पे झाड़ियाँ थी। So you can hear Sher Khan below in the thickets. I don't need to speak anything more. तो तबाकी ने कहा कि ठीक है, मैं यहाँ से जाता हूँ, लेकिन तुम सब शेर खान को वहाँ पे महसूस कर सकते हो, पा सकते हो, और उन झाड़ियों में उसकी आवाज़ को सुन सकते हो, और उसे उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं कहना था। Father Wolf listened, and below in the valley that ran down to a little river, he heard the dry, angry, sing-song whine of a hungry tiger. Whine here I have written the word meaning high-pitched noise. Okay, so Father Wolf listened. Father Wolf ने बहुत ही आराम से सुना, and below in the valley that ran down to a little river, he heard the dry, angry, and उसने वो आवाजें सुनी, क्या सुनी? Dry, angry, sing-song here means rising and falling, जो आवाज थी वो कभी तेज और कभी धीमी हो जा रही थी। Of a hungry tiger, and शेर खान की आवाज वहाँ सुनाई दे रही थी, and शेर खान was hungry. Next, the fool, said Father Wolf. The fool, said Father Wolf, to begin a night's work with that noise. Does he think that our buck are like his fat Mangana bullocks? So, Father Wolf was angry, and to begin a night work with that noise, and Father Wolf was not happy or in listening to the voice that was made by hungry Sher Khan. Does he think that our bucks are like his fat Mangana bullocks? Bullocks means to बैल थे. So does he think that our bucks means the deer, the जो वहाँ पे हिरन थे, are like his fat Mangana bullocks? Okay, this was the taunt of Father Wolf to Sher Khan. Fish, it is neither bullock nor buck he hunts tonight, said Mother Wolf. It is man. So ना ही वो बैल का शिकार करने आ रहा है, ना ही हिरन का, बट वो शिकार करने किसका आया था? A man, a human being. That was the man's cub. So in the next part we will continue with the further story. So thank you class.